In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight eyes in Photoshop. Let's get started. You want to open up Photoshop with the photo you want to highlight your subject's eyes in. Could be really any photo. We're going to select the middle subject here with the greenish or lighter eyes over here. And the first thing we're going to do is we are going to go to our adjustment layers in the bottom right corner, and we are going to make a solid color layer. Now again, we can make the color anything we want. I am going to make it kind of a lighter blue here. I think that's good. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to select our mask that comes with that color layer, and we're going to press Command or Control I to invert that layer. And then with that black layer selected, we are going to press B for the brush key. And we can press D to default our colors to white and black. And then we are going to make our brush the size of the eyes we want to select here. And we can do that by pressing plus or minus. And then what I also like to do is press backslash, which shows us the mask. And I'm going to paint in the mask. And then our solid color should be pouring through now. And then we're going to highlight both of our eyes right here. With both of our eyes highlighted, we again can press backslash again to get rid of that mask. And another thing we're going to do is we are going to go to our blending options that's found right above our layers here, and we can select two different options. We can try screen, which looks like this, which looks like they're superheroes, or we can select soft light right here. And if we think the color is too much, we can lower the opacity, which is right next to the blending option, so it's a little bit nicer and not as harsh. And so when we turn it off and turn it on, we can see the difference. Also, at any time, if we want to change the color, we can see that effect on that. So this is with a lighter color, this is with a blacker color, and then we could totally change it. So we could change it to a nice brownish if we wanted to. A little bit over here, a little bit more magenta. If we wanted to, just like that. And now you can see his lighter eyes have gotten a little darker. And that's what I like to do, guys. Again, if you ever want to change your mask, you can go back into your mask and you can either take out portions of the eye, or you can mask out a bigger portion of the eye, get the eyelids as well. Have a great day, everybody.